Harrison Lake is located in northern Idaho in the Selkirk Mountains. At an elevation of 6,296 feet, the trail to the lake has an elevation gain of about 1,400 feet and is about 4.6 miles out and back. The trail takes about 3 to 4 hours to complete.
Troubles behind.